Check out this Toyota 2013 Corolla S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: premium package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD player with MP3/WMA capability, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.